Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of a charger kit which is for the Sony Series NP-F550. This is from a company called Newmowa, and it's sold by Newmowa Digital on Amazon.com. Now this is what the kit comes with. It has the actual charger and two F550 battery packs. The charger has a pull-out plug, a US 120 volt plug, and then it also comes with a European adapter that you can put on there. And it's a universal voltage, so it'll work anywhere in the world. And this slides off. You can see right here, it's a module that allows you to have different battery types on here, which is nice. Also included is a 12 volt car adapter. I'm going to show how that's used. There's a plug right there, a port I should say, for the plug on here so that you can charge this in your car. Now, as I mentioned, this has two batteries included, the charger and the car adapter on here. So this is 7.4 volts. They're rating it at 3,000 milliamp hours and good value for the price. Now, one thing unique about this seller and this product is it comes with a 2-year warranty. A lot of these batteries don't have any warranties at all, so that's a good thing. And these batteries are fully compatible with a lot of Sony cameras, and in my application I'm using them for two different LED lights, and I'm going to show that test I ran. One of the LED lights uses one battery, the other one uses two. So I charge these and I'm going to show that test. Now, to charge the battery is really simple. You just flip the plug out, and then you see that there's the two contacts right there, and the contacts made up with the ones right there. So you just go past the halfway point and you slide forward, hear a slight click, and then all you do is you put this across 120 volts in the US, and you see it starts charging. It takes about 2.5 to 3 hours, 3.5 hours for a completely dead battery. If the battery is not completely dead, it may take only 45 minutes, depending on how much you deplete the battery. But very simple indicator that will go to green once the battery charge is complete. So the first light I'm going to be testing is a VidPro LED660S, and you can see I just slid the battery in there, and we can turn the unit on right there. So here I started a timer, and we'll see how well it drives the VidPro LEDs the length of time. And we're going to put it at maximum brightness and warm color, and you can see that the LEDs are on and very bright. So we're going to shine this against the wall right here. Okay, so the light turned off. As you can see, it was running and then it shut down at 42 minutes. So this is right in line with the stock battery that came with this VidPro. So it's got about the same capacity as the VidPro battery. Okay, so I charged the battery that I just depleted in the other light. I'm going to try it in this light, which uses two 550 batteries from this company. This is the LED660S from Pseudofullrow. So I have the batteries in there, and I have it on 100% power. You can see it's working. So let's have the shine on the wall here. We're going to get a timer going. See how it does in this light. So with this light, it lasted 1 hour and 12 minutes, which is really good. And that's exceeded the batteries that came with this unit. So I wanted to show another feature of this kit is it comes with a cigarette lighter adapter that's included, and I have a 12 volt power supply right here. I'm going to plug it in, and you see the LED lights up, letting you know that it's getting the 12 volt power. And then on the charging unit, you see there's a small little plug, and you just put the plug in there like that, and then you see that it's charging the lithium polymer or lithium ion battery. So that's nice if you want to charge this in your automobile using a cigarette lighter. That's a nice feature. So what's my overall opinion about the Newmowa NP550 2-pack charger kit? I think this is a great value for the price. You're getting a lot here. I mean, 2 backup batteries and a charger and a DC car charger. You can't go wrong. I like this product to be able to run your Sony cameras or your LED lights. As I showed in my experiment, it worked really nicely. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Please hit the subscribe button and the little bell symbol on the subscribe button so that you get alerted when I upload a new video review. Thanks for watching.